This dame is about as hard to pin down as a balloon with a porcupine. Some days she's a lady, formal and real polite like. Other times she's just an impatient teen, waiting for you to get to the point. Master of disguise, this one. But I've got her number. Yeah, that's me. Proprietor of an invitation establishment. Wedding invitations was my specialty, and I did it well. Built my reputation dealing with the most exclusive, best-selling brands in the wedding invitation industry, until I became a designer in my own right. Nowadays, I'm working for these kids, invitation designers, aspiring designers, and even DIY brides. Maybe you're one of them. I investigate cases for them like this dame. Someone's got to pass on this information, and it looks like that hand has just been dealt to me. So stick with me, kid. Let's investigate this dame. We'll make something beautiful.